cost your organization 6 figures fast? In this module, you'll learn how to stay compliant, avoid preventable fines, and turn recruitment into a measurable UAE workforce strategy. By the end of Module 3, you're going to feel completely in control of amortization. You'll know exactly how to calculate your company's compliance, which sector rules apply to you, and how to register Emirati hires on NAFIs without ever missing the 30-day window. You'll also learn how to calculate the salary subsidies your company can claim, the 5 compliance checks you must complete before every hire, or details of the fundamentals of human resource management. We have the best person to join the company. That's it. Recruitment is just finding, attracting, and selecting people to fill job openings. Recruitment is how companies identify a vacancy, look for candidates, interview them, select the right one, and bring them into the organization. The first, we will understand the recruitment, and later recruitment in the UAE covers a legally required stage of the employee lifecycle, from recruitment to onboarding to master file documentation. The UAE requires companies to maintain proper records for recruitment, job descriptions, CV management, interviews, offers, pre-employment checks, visa processing, onboarding, and the final employee master file. These 7 files ensure that every step is documented, traceable, and audit-ready for inspections or disputes. Think of them as the non-negotiable pillars of a professional HR department. Your folder contains all of them, some split into separate templates for clarity, and together they cover every stage of the employee journey, from the moment a vacancy opens to the day the employee's master file is archived. Recruitment Tracker. This is your command center. It tracks every